Bob, how are you? Hey, so the first thing we're going to do is go through a warm-up. So every time you do a workout, I want you to put yourself through some kind of warm-up. This is just the one I use. And then I'm going to take you through the first workout plan that I gave you. So it's 4 sets of exercises, and it's body weight, kettlebells, dumbbells, and then another sort of mixed one. Okay, so I'm going to go through set 1, and then I'm going to turn the camera off and I'll do set 2 so that it's not really long things for you to download. So the first one I'm going to do is our warm-up. So for your warm-up, you're going to work through all of your joints, get them all moving, get the heart rate up a little bit, and just sort of prepare the body for exercise. So the first thing I want you to do is just stand and rotate your wrists and your ankles, okay? And the other one, and wrist the other way. Okay, so it's just about getting the joints moving. Now the arms, and up and over, and back. Okay, now we're going to rotate the torso, so just around as far as you can. The more warm you get, the more pliable your joints become, the further you'll be able to move the joints. Okay, now we're going to do leg hip openers. So just lift the leg up and swing it to the side, so you're just opening up through the hips. All right, and leg swings. So find something to hold on to if you need. And you're just going to swing your leg back and forth. Try making a nice smooth motion. And the other one. All right, now we're going to do some squats. So when you do your squats, make sure all your weight's back in your heels. So push the bum back and down. Okay, even lift your toes up off the floor a little bit, just to make sure all the weight is back in your heels. Nice and slow, standing up nice and tall, hips forward. Okay, the trick to squats is to make sure your knees don't go over your toes. So if you come down and your knees move forward, then you're doing it wrong. All right, they stay relatively still, chest stays up, looking forward, bum back. All right, now I'm going to jog on the spot just a little bit. So just nice and easy. Get my face again. All right, lift those knees up a little bit higher. Keep that speed nice and easy. So we're just trying to get that heart rate pumping a little bit. And back kicks, bring those feet up. All right. Now, if your workout involves, the workout that you're going to do involves some push-ups and upper body stuff, I want you to make sure you get down on the ground and do some nice easy push-ups as well before you do your workout. Okay, so let me just talk about how to do push-ups. I've talked about squats. Technique is everything when it comes to doing exercises. If you don't have the correct technique, then the workout's not going to have the bang that you want it to have. Okay, so just quickly, when it comes to doing a squat, a push-up, I want you to really think about engaging the core. So by that, I mean pull the belly button up and in. Okay, so instead of having it all loose and hanging out, pull it in, belly button to spine, and you should imagine yourself, if you're in a plank position or in this position, imagine that the lower back arches. I want you to straighten that out, all right, without curling the shoulders. Okay, so when you do a push-up, hands under the shoulders, or slightly wider than the shoulders, but not forward of the shoulders. Okay, core engaged, keep it up and in. Start on your knees. You want to do it like it's a warm-up, it's not exercises. So start on your knees, do your push-ups, keep the knees back away from the body, so you're not in this position, knees away from the body, and then you're just going to go down as low as you can and up. All right, so keeping the core engaged, back goes down in a nice straight motion. Okay, so plank holds and things like that, all the same. I want you to think about core engagement, pulling that belly button up into the spine, keeping it all nice and tight. All right, let's do set one. So I'm going to stop this one and I'll record set one for you. See you soon.